Welcome to Enrisa Legal, journeying through the legal learning. In this video, we would be covering the meaning of the term Code of Law. Code of Law is also known as Law Code or Legal Code, which is a systematic collection and consolidation of laws that exhaustively covers a complete system of laws or a particular or specific area of law. It is a comprehensive set of laws or rules on a particular subject matter. Code of law comprises of detailed requirements which are generally in mandatory language. Code of law frames a set of rules about how people should behave in a particular environment or how something must be done in a particular environment. It is often a single document or book that would contain all the laws and rules that govern a particular subject area such as criminal, civil, commercial, etc. In a legal code, laws are systematically arranged by particular subject which is combined with all other laws on the same subject, whether any previous or current law, including any changes that may be necessary for the law code to be clear, concise and without any duplications.